Alexa, start Rampiot.
Welcome to Rampiot. How can I help you with your door? Do you want to schedule an action or create a new rule?
Schedule action.
For device door, here are the possible actions: lock, unlock, and security check. What action do you want to schedule?
Lock.
What day of the week would you like to lock door?
Friday.
Finally, at what time would you like door to lock?
2:21 a.m.
Here is your scheduled action. On Friday, lock door at 2:21 a.m. Do you want to create it?
Yes.
Open sesame. Everything okay? Hope to hear from you soon.